This video we will show you how to make a Google Slide vertical. If you try to create the Google Slides, the default is landscape like this. To make this slide vertical, you can just click File menu, select Page Setup, and in here you can see there is landscape using widescreen 16 with 9, and you can reverse this into custom. You can fill this 9 and the height with 16, and voila. Now you can see your slide is vertical. You can also zoom in here. Okay, looks like this. Not just only that, you can also create a custom page if you want, not just 9 with 16. You can using centimeter also if you want. Okay, that's all tutorial how to make Google Slide vertical. Hope this video helpful for you.